Have you ever wondered what Elon Musk's Neuralink is? The very name Neuralink hints at a connection with the brain, a link, if you will, that holds the promise of a future where humans and machines merge. But how did this ambitious project come into existence, and what exactly is it? Elon Musk, the man behind Tesla and SpaceX, unveiled the concept of Neuralink back in 2016. His vision was to create a high-bandwidth, implantable brain-machine interface, a device that could be surgically implanted into a human brain and provide a direct link to computers. A lofty goal indeed, but one that Musk has steadily been working towards. In 2017, Neuralink was officially incorporated, and the company set to work on developing the technology needed to make Musk's vision a reality. The aim was clear: to help humans keep up with artificial intelligence, perhaps even surpass it. Fast forward to 2019, Neuralink announced that it had successfully tested its technology on monkeys and was planning to start human trials. The device they developed, about the size of a coin, was to be implanted in the brain with electrodes that could stimulate neurons. The goal was to initially help with conditions like paralysis, providing a way for the brain to directly control computers or other devices. In 2020, Neuralink showcased a live demonstration of the technology with a pig named Gertrude. The device had been implanted in Gertrude's brain for 2 months, demonstrating that the device could be safely used in a living being. The year 2021 saw Neuralink continue its work, focusing on refining the technology and moving towards human trials. Musk revealed that the device could potentially enable telepathy and even the ability to recall memories with perfect clarity. Now, in 2024, Neuralink stands at the cusp of a new era. The journey has been long and filled with challenges, but the goal remains the same: to create a direct link between the human brain and computers. To summarize, Neuralink, the brainchild of Elon Musk, is a project aimed at developing a high-bandwidth implantable brain-machine interface. Since its inception in 2016, the company has made significant strides, from successful tests on monkeys and pigs to the anticipation of human trials. The goal is to initially help with conditions like paralysis, with future applications potentially including telepathy and perfect memory recall. As we stand at the brink of a new era, the question remains: what will Neuralink bring next?